Hi friends, welcome my channel Review Online Pro. If you are working with metals, a condition may surface when you need to join two metal sheets in conjunction. In such a circumstance, the spot welder arrives in the scene. The basic need for the spot welding process includes a welding power source, weld head screwed with the electrodes. The electrode material may vary and comprise copper, molybdenum, tungsten, and its alloys. The size and shape of the electrode have a bearing on the result of spot welding. So let's get started our video. Number 5. It's better quality product in this list. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 4. This is one of the best product in this video. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. If you want more information about this product, please check description box. Number 3. This product quality is very good. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 2. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 1.
This product full details.
Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Thanks for watching.